Very good morning to all. Hope all are fine. Today I am here to start a first chapter of mathematics of class 7. The name of this chapter is integer. Earlier I am giving you notes of this chapter of exercise 1.1, but now I can start explanation of this exercise 1.1. Chapter 1 Integer. Some important basic definition. Even number. Any number that can be divided by 2 is called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Second, odd number. Any number that cannot be divided by 2 is called odd number. For example, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Prime number, a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself is called prime number. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and so on. Fourth, composite number. A number that can be divided by 1 itself and some other number is called composite number. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Fifth, natural number. Set of counting number is called natural number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Sixth, whole number. Set of natural number plus 0 is called whole number. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Seventh, integer. Integer are a set of number that include whole number. Positive and negative whole number is called integer. Integer are of three types: negative integer, zero integer and positive integer. Note: decimal and fraction are not integer. For example, 3.5, 6.5, 3, 1/2. This is decimal, this is fraction. Let's explain these all definition. First, even number. Even number means divided by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2 means, example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 6 divided by 2, 3. 8 divided by 2, 4. 10 divided by 2 means no remainder take place, means complete divide. Okay. Second, odd number, not divided by 2. Example, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. When 3 divided by 2, answer comes 1.5 or 1 remainder. 5 divided by 2, that is 2.5 or remainder. 2 divided by 3, remainder 1 is remainder, or 2 divided by 3 or answer comes point. So in odd number, example 3, 5, 7, 9, either remainder come or answer comes point. Okay. Third, prime number. Divided by 1 and itself. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. Means 2 is divided by 1 and 2 is divided by itself. 3 is divided by 1 and 3 is divided by itself. 5 is divided by 1 and 5 is divided by itself. 7 is divided by 1 and 7 is divided by itself. Okay. Composite number, divided by 1 itself and other number. Composite number means divided by 1, it is divided by 1 itself and other number. Other number means, example, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. 4 is divided by 1, 4 is divided by 2, 4 is divided by 4. Then 6 is divided by 1, 6 is divided by 2, 6 is divided by 3, 6 is divided by 6 means itself. 8 is divided by 1 means 8. 8 is divided by 2, that is 4. 8 is divided by 4, answer is 2. 8 is divided by 8 means itself. Then fifth, natural number. Natural number. Natural number means set of counting number, means those number we have to count. Okay, counting number, simply counting number. Example, natural number is starting from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. 6 is whole number. Whole number. If we include natural number plus 0, right? Natural number plus 0. Example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Seventh is integer. Integer is a set of whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and negative natural number means -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. That is integer are of 3 type. First 0, 1 whole number and this is -1, -2 negative natural number. So integer are of 3 type. 0 is 0 integer, 1, 2, 3 that is positive integer and -1, -2, -3 this is negative integer. In integer, decimal and fraction are not integer, means decimal means 3.5 is not integer, or 3 say 1/2 means fraction is not integer. Integer is simply positive value means 2, negative value -2 and 0. This is very very important. But in definition, most important definition is prime number and composite number. Prime number means some basic rules related to integer. First, same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus. In case of addition and subtraction, minus minus plus means same sign are plus, minus minus same sign, it will become plus. Plus plus plus, same sign are plus means plus plus both are same, it will become plus sign. Plus minus minus, opposite sign are minus, plus and minus both are opposite sign, it will become minus. Minus plus equal to minus, minus plus both are opposite sign, it will become minus. In my notes which I am giving you, instead of plus you can put minus sign. Okay, in case of multiplication and division, same rule apply, means same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus. Let us take an example first that you understood clearly. Let us take an example. First, same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus. That is plus plus equal to plus, minus minus equal to plus, minus plus equal to minus, plus minus equal to minus. If question is given, first minus 6 minus 8, how much? 6 plus 8, 6 minus 8, minus 6 plus 8. So minus 6 minus 8, minus 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 plus, तो 8 plus 6 14. After that you see which value is bigger. तो 6 and 8, which value is bigger? 8. In 8 which sign? Minus, so you have to put minus sign. Plus 6 plus 8, plus 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 6 plus 8 14. After that which value is bigger? 8. In 8 which sign? Plus, so you have to put plus or simply 14. 6 minus 18, plus 6 minus plus minus minus 6 minus 8, that is 2. After that you have to see that which value is greater, 6 and 8, which value is greater? 8. Instead of 8 which sign? Minus, you have to put minus. 6 plus 8 minus 6 plus 8, minus plus minus, so 6 minus 6 plus 8, that is 2. Which value is greater, 8 or 6? 8. In 8 which sign? Plus, so you have to put plus. In case of multiplication and division, 4 into 4 16, minus 4 into minus 4, that is 16, plus plus plus, minus minus plus, minus minus means same sign are plus. Minus 4 into 4 equal to minus 16. How minus 16 comes? 4 into 4 16, minus plus opposite sign are minus. 4 divided by 2, minus 4 divided by minus 2, so 4 divided by 2 2, minus minus plus, or you have to cancel minus minus. Minus 6 upon 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, minus plus opposite sign are minus. 6 upon 2, 6 divided by 2, that is 3, plus plus, it will become plus, means same sign are plus. Addition and subtraction or multiplication and division is, in addition and subtraction you have to apply the same rule, same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus. After that which value is greater, same sign come. But in multiplication and division no need to see which value is greater, same rule apply. Example, first and second multiplication. In case of minus 6 plus 8, this is addition, minus 6 plus 8, so same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus, plus minus minus, 8 minus 6, that is 2. After that which value is greater, 6 and 8, which value is greater? 8. Which sign? Plus sign, plus 2 or simply 2. But in case of multiplication no need to see which value is greater, 6 8 is 48, minus minus plus, same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus. Now we start exercise 1.1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Number line and several places indicate the temperature in degrees Celsius. So this is number line. A. Observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. But in negative natural number 0, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, and this is minus 10. So by observing the given data, the temperature of these cities are follow. First, Lahul Spriti, this temperature. So this is 5, minus 5, -6, -7, -8. So this is -8. After that Srinagar is this. So 0, -1, -2 degree Celsius. Srinagar -2 degree Celsius. After that Simla is 5 degree Celsius. Ooty 11, 12, 13, 14 degree Celsius. Bangalore 21, 22, Bangalore 22 degree Celsius. 0, this side positive integer and this side negative integer. Negative integer you indicate minus sign. Okay. Second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Hottest place means more temperature and coldest place means low temperature. So in this data 22 degrees Celsius Bangalore is hottest and -8 degree Celsius Lahul Spiti is coldest. So temperature difference means minus, difference means minus, you have to subtract means highest value minus lowest value. So highest value, that is Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius, this sign comes in difference, and -8 degrees Celsius Lahul Spiti. So 22 degrees Celsius minus plus 8 degree Celsius, 22 degree plus 8 degree Celsius, that is 30 degree Celsius. C part, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Temperature at Lahul Spiti -8 degree Celsius and Srinagar, temperature at Srinagar -2 degree Celsius. Temperature difference means minus. So temperature difference means minus. In this case highest value minus lowest value. So 2 degree Celsius minus mean difference and 8 degree Celsius. 2 degree Celsius minus plus 8 degree Celsius -2 plus minus and 8 minus 2 6, and which value is greater, that is 8. Instead of 8 we have to put plus sign. D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature at Simla? Is it also Srinagar? Temperature at Srinagar -2 degree Celsius. Temperature at Simla 5 degree Celsius. So together means add. So temperature of Simla and Srinagar together means you have to add both temperature, -2 degree Celsius plus 5 degree Celsius. So plus minus 5 minus 2 3, and which value is greater, 5. Instead of 5 we have to put plus sign, so that is 3 degree Celsius. So 3 degree Celsius, after answer come 3 degree Celsius. So 3 degree Celsius is less than the temperature of Simla. Simla temperature 5 degree and 3 degree is less than 5 degree. So yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is less than the temperature of Simla. Next question, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? What is the temperature of Srinagar? -2 degree Celsius, and temperature come 3 degree Celsius. So however 3 degree Celsius is greater than -2 degree Celsius. So hence the temperature of Srinagar and Simla taken together is not less than Srinagar. See this. If -7 and -5, -8 and 0, 7, 10, which value is greater? So in this both are minus sign. More the value is negative, it is smallest value. So 7 is more, so it is 5 is greater than. -8 and 0, this is number line, -3. So -8 and 0, 8 come first, after that minus, so 0 is greater. 7 and 10, which value is greater? 10. So the main concept is there, more the value is negative, it is smallest value, right? So after this, hottest and coldest temperature means hot and cold temperature. Hottest mean bigger value, coldest mean smaller value. So in this, if the value is 40 and minus 30, so hottest is 40 and coldest is minus 30, or 8 and minus 9. So hottest temperature mean which value is greater. So minus 8 and minus 7, which value is greater? Minus 8. So it is hottest temperature, and minus 9 is coldest, because it is smaller value. In minus 8 and minus 9, more the value is, it is smallest value. More the negative value is, it is smallest value. In this case, minus 9 is more, so it is smaller value. Okay. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? So in this question, marks for correct answer is positive value, 25, 15 and 10. These three are positive value. Mark for incorrect answer, negative value is incorrect answer. So minus 5, minus 10. So minus 5, minus 10, minus plus, 10 plus 5, 15. Which value is greater? Minus 10, तो minus sign comes minus 15. So total mark and the end. Total mark and the end means bigger value minus smallest value. So 50 minus 15. So that is 35. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degree Celsius. Dropped mean decreased on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degree Celsius. Rose means increase. Increase means plus. What was the temperature on this day? So, question, temperature on Monday. Temperature on Monday means 5 degree Celsius. After Monday, Tuesday comes. So, temperature on Tuesday. In Tuesday, it dropped by 2 degree Celsius. Dropped means decrease. So, temperature on Monday minus 2 degree Celsius. 2 degree Celsius given in question. So temperature on Monday means 5 degree Celsius minus 2 degree Celsius. So minus plus, 5 plus 2 7. Which value is greater? Minus 5. So minus comes in 7. Okay. So temperature on Wednesday, after Tuesday temperature is minus 7 degree Celsius. It rose by 4 degree Celsius. 4 degree Celsius means increase. 4 plus 4 degree Celsius. So minus plus minus. So 7 minus 4 3, and sign comes, which value is greater? 7. Instead of 7, minus come. So minus comes in 3. Okay. So therefore the temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degree Celsius. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So vertical distance between them and floating 1200 meter below. Below means minus. See this. This is east, west, north, south. If we move east, positive sign. If we move west, negative sign. If we move north, positive sign. If you move south, negative sign. Or if you move right, so positive sign come. If you move left, negative sign come. If you move top, positive sign come. If you move down or below, negative sign come. So height of plane is 5000 meter given. Depth of submarine 1200 meter given. So distance between plane and submarine, so 5000 bigger value minus smaller, 5000 meter minus 12000 meter, तो माइनस प्लस, तो 1200 मीटर, तो 6200 6200 मीटर आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. मोहन डिपॉजिट 2000 rupees in his bank account and withdrawal rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal. One thing you should remember that deposit mean increase and withdrawal mean decrease. Deposit mean जमा करना, withdrawal mean निकालना. So amount deposit rupees 2000. After next day he withdrawal rupees 1642. Withdrawal mean minus. So balance in Mohan 2000 minus 1642, that is rupees 358. Answer comes. Question number 6. Rita goes 20 km toward east from a point A to the point B. From B, she moves 30 km toward west along the same road. If the distance toward east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled toward west? By which integer will you represent her final position from A? In earlier, I am telling you that east direction, if you move east, positive sign, and west, negative sign. North, positive sign, and south, negative sign. So distance toward east is represented by a positive integer and distance toward west is represented by a negative integer. Distance travel in east direction 20 km, distance travel in west direction minus 30 km, minus time because west is left direction. So distance travel from A 20 plus minus 30, 20 plus minus minus 30, 20 minus 30 plus minus minus 20 minus 30 10, which value is greater 30, so minus come in 10 km, minus 10 km. Rita is now in west direction. West direction, why? Because minus sign indicates that Rita is now in west direction, so minus sign indicate that west. Question number 7. In a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check whether which of the following is a magic square. This is column and this is row and this is diagonal. If we add diagonal, row and column, same answer come, then it is a magic square. Let I explain you. This is magic square. Five minus 1 minus 4, 5 minus 2, 7, 0, 3 minus 3. From column, see this, from column, this is column and this is row. Column and this is row and this is diagonal. Okay, from column. 3 column are there. 5 plus 0. So the 5 प्लस माइनस माइनस 5 प्लस 0, 5 माइनस 5 के 0. सेकेंड -2 प्लस माइनस प्लस 3, तो -1 प्लस माइनस माइनस -2 दैट इज 3. -2 -3 प्लस 3 दैट इज 0. थर्ड कॉलम -4 प्लस 7 एंड -3 दैट इज -4 प्लस 7 प्लस माइनस माइनस -3. -4 -3 माइनस माइनस प्लस -7 प्लस 7 दैट इज 0. फ्रॉम रो फाइव प्लस -1 प्लस -4 इक्वल टू 5 प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस माइनस माइनस, so 5 minus 5 that is 0. Second -5 -2 plus 7, तो -5 प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस 7. -5 -2 माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 plus 2 7. After that which sign is greater? 5 means -5 plus 7 that is 0. Third 0 plus 3 plus minus 3, 0 plus 3 minus 3 that is 3 minus 3 0. Third diagonal, two diagonal are there. First -3 means 5 plus minus -2 plus minus minus 3 that is 5 minus 5 equal to 0. Second 0 -2 and -4, so 0 plus minus -2 plus minus minus 4 that is -6. So it is not a magic square because diagonal is 0, row is 0, but diagonal is not 0. So it is not a magic, it is not a magic square. Okay, second question is your homework. This is your homework. This question is your homework. 1 -10 0 -4 -3 -2 -6 4 and -7. Listen one thing carefully. -6 -7, you have to see the rule. Same sign are plus, same sign are plus, plus plus same sign it will become plus, minus minus same sign it will become plus, opposite sign are minus, minus plus equal to minus, plus minus equal to minus. This rule -6 -7, minus 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 plus, so 7 plus 6 13. After that you see which value is greater. 7 value is greater means which sign? Minus sign come. But -6 plus 7, minus plus opposite sign are minus plus opposite sign are minus, 7 minus 6 that is 1, and which sign come? 7 and 6 which value is greater? 7. 7 means plus sign, so plus or simply 1. But 6 minus 7 plus 6 minus 7 plus minus minus, so 7 minus 6 1. Which sign come? -7 minus 6 which value is greater? 7. 7 which sign? Minus, so minus sign come. Okay, next question, question number 8. Verify a minus bracket open minus b bracket close equal to a plus b for the following value of a and b. This is given. Okay, first question, a is 22, b is 18. Second question, a is 118, b is 125. Let's start our first question. A is 21, b is 18. Verify, this is already given. A minus bracket open minus b equal to a plus b. You have to put these value in. 21 -, this. So A is 21 minus B minus 18 equal to A 21 plus 18. To 21 minus plus 18 equal to 21 plus 18. 21 plus 18 39 and 21 plus 18 39. So LHS equal to RHS, hence verify. Second, A is 118, B is 125. Verify A minus B equal to A plus B. So instead of A we have to put 118, instead of B we have to put 125. So A 118 minus bracket open minus B 125 equal to A 118 plus B 125. So 118 plus 125 minus plus equal to 118 plus 125. 243 equal to 243. LHS equal to RHS. Rest two part is your homework, third and fourth part. Question number 9. Use the sign greater than, smaller than or equal in the box. You have to do all. This is your homework, because same sign are plus, opposite sign are minus, same concept is there. Okay. Then question number 10. A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. That is the first step. The water level is at the 9th step. First question. He is jump 3 step down. 3 step down means plus 3, and then jump back 2 step up. Means 2 step up means minus 2. In how many jump will he reach the water level? Water level means 9th step. Okay. So this first step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step, sixth step, seventh step, eighth step and ninth step. Monkey is there, first step. Okay. And water level is in 9th step. So condition is there. He jump 3 step down. 3 step down means positive sign, and 2 step up means negative sign. Monkey is there, first step. 3 step down means 1 2 3. Fourth, after that third step, 2 step up means 2. Okay, let's see. First step, first jump means first plus jump means first he moves down means plus 3. So fourth level. Second jump 4, then up means minus 2, that is 2. Third jump down, up, again down means downs means plus 3, up means minus 2. So 2 step, again 2 down mean plus 3, that is 5. Again up, fourth jump, 5 up means minus 2, that is 3. फिर down means plus 3. Fifth jump, 3 downs means plus 3, that is 6. Then up means minus 2. Sixth jump, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Again down means plus 3. Seventh jump, 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then up means -2. 8th jump, 7 minus 2, that is 5. Then down mean plus 3. 9th jump, 5 plus 3, that is 8. Then up means -2. 10th jump, 8 minus 2, that is 6. Then down mean plus 3. 11th jump, 6 plus 3, that is 9. So in 11th jump he is in 9th step. 9th step, this is 9th step, this all are step. Okay, so in 11th jump he reach 9th step. 11th jump he reach 9th. 11th jump he reach 9th level. Okay, after drinking water he want to go. For this he jump 4 step up and then jump back 2 step down in every move. In how many jump will he reach back the top? In this question 11th jump are there, 1 2, opposite of first question means. Okay, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th level. Monkey is there starting and he reach this point, final point. In this question up means -4 and down means -+2. Okay, up means upward means -4 and down means down or backward, +2. So monkey is in 9th level. Monkey is in 9th level. So first monkey up means -4, that is 5 up, and down means +2. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay, after that up 7 up means -4, that is 3. Then down means +2. 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then up means -4. 5 minus 4, that is 1. So first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump and fifth jump. Fifth jump he reach final point, means top of the level first. Okay, this question is very important. So third question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer, moved down negative integer and the number of steps moved up is represented by positive integer. Represent his move in part first and part second by completing the following: -3 plus 2 dash -8, b 4 minus 2 plus equal to 8. In A the sum is -8, represent going down by 8 steps. So what will be the sum 8 in B represent? See this. Question number B part, fifth jump, right? And A part, 11th jump. Okay. So move in first part A means 11th jump. 11th jump means -3 + 2 -3 + 2, it is given -3 + 2, or this is arranged in 11th jump. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. If you solve all this, answer comes in -8. So -8 means negative integer, means moved down. Okay. Then move in part second. Second part means 5 jump. 4 -2 4 -2 4 1 2 3 4 5. If you solve this, answer is 8. 8 means plus. So positive integer means moved up. Question given. So move in part second represent going up, and this is already given in question. You have to prove it. Okay. So I have to prove move in part second, 4 -2 4 -2 4. This is 5 jump, and 12 - 8. Move in part second represent going up, 8 step. So if you have any problem in exercise 1.1 of chapter integer, you have to call me to clear your doubt. Okay.